Okay, welcome to Hands on High Tech. Today we're going to talk about bike helmets. Click like and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, back in the shop today. Been a kind of crazy week at work, but having fun with the 3D printer. Show you what we're doing today. Today I have bike helmets. We got some mountain bikes and I wanted to be able to hang them in the shop. So I'm gonna show you what I did, and then I'm gonna show you how I did it, and then I'll also post the 3D print files because that's exactly what we used. All right, so this is the bike helmet we got. It actually is a really cool bike helmet. It has a light in the back. It does a great job. It has basically Bluetooth connection that connects so you can actually talk on a bike. We just tried them out yesterday for the first time, but the dilemma is we want a nice place to hang them. We want to be able to charge them, which we're doing right here. It's red, so it means it's charged. It turns blue, it's charged. So we have two of them. And so what I wanted to do is find a way to organize and hang them. So I'm gonna show you what I did. So I went to Maker World, right? Bamboo. I typed in bike helmet holder. And with that, this little thing came up. And there's others here too, but this one I thought was really cool. So I downloaded it and sent it to my Bambu printer. And I will show you what that looks like. It comes out really super nice. Takes about, I think on my X1 Carbon, it took about 45 minutes. So that's step one. I'll show you what one of those look like in a second. Then I also went to Bambu and said, hey, you know, it'd be really nice, since there's two of them, you don't know whose is whose, I thought it'd be really cool to do like a custom keychain tied around the string on that, right? And color the name different. So I did that, and it goes over and you can customize it. By the way, I didn't show you that, but you can click down here, customize right there. I don't know if you can see my cursor, customize, which pops over to this screen, and you type in the name, you create generate, and you click download. And I download in a 3MF file. And when you do that, it'll come over to your Bambu piece down here, your Bambu Labs. And I have it printing right now. I'll show you what it looks like. So with the prepare, right, you click on the object, you hit color. You hit the color, I'm sorry, I didn't show you that. You click on the object and then you hit color, right? And now it's coloring it red. So I want to undo that, which I will undo. Control Z undoes. Right here is the color button. So you click on color button, you click on, I usually zoom in on what you want to color, right? But you also want to make sure that when you click that color button, that you have the right one selected. So if these colors aren't coming up, what you have in your AMS on my X1 Carbon, then you want to come over here to this side and make sure you synchronize with what you have in your AMS, okay? Did that. I got this one in black. I'm gonna do the other one, which is Josh, who's the other part of High Tech Hands-On, in red. So those will be the two, and I'll show you how these turn out. I got the dad one printing right now. And here's the dad one being printed. Only the top layer did I do black. I'm gonna show you that here in a second again. All right, you can see that really good. It's getting ready now to switch colors, and I'll show you this real quick. It switches the colors up on the AMS automatically, and it's you can probably hear it there in the background. Let me show you. It's pulling the white out, and it's going to pull the black in. All right, there goes the black. So it'll do a calibration with the black once it gets in. All right, back down here and watch it. You see that little piece at the back there to the top left? It has a calibration tower, they call it, and it's basically going to put black on top of that, make sure it's flowing, and then it'll come over to this keychain.
Okay, so we sped this section up. As you can see, it's going to bring the black in and color that piece really good.
Okay, so I have both of them done. Here's Josh's and here's mine. So all I'm gonna do is take a ring like that. It's a basic keychain ring, and put it around the cord like this. So when I hang it on the other piece, I'm able to hang it down low so that the tag will hold down low like that. Okay, and I'll show you how we hang this. All right, here's what the hook looks like. Pretty easy 3D print. I did have to rotate it flat. For some reason they had it faced up like this on the print file. Make sure you rotate it flat. It'll print best that way. Anyway, I'm gonna hang this on the wall, and I'll show you that with the helmet bag hanging here in a second. All right, finished product. Hook installed. I just used a deck screw, Torx deck screw. Name tag facing out, and there is the bag next to my handy dandy piece I made to hold the filament. But there it is, end product. Put another one over here and we'll be done.